Inepu.com. Quality videos when you need them.
Okay, this is lesson number 4, by which we will be working with graphics, how to add text. As you remember, we have this on the right corner of our interface, and we can change it to the way we want. And previously we showed you how to add all these media into the timeline. So by now what we are going to be doing is to add some text, resizing them, putting them in order, like entrance, like the endings. That's what we'll be doing. You see, most of the videos you will be seeing text as long as it opens up, and at the end you will see text. How to add them, that's what we are going to be doing. You can add up some other music that you know we had one, and that's it. Then let me show you how to add text. You have to make a folder, and folder here is called bin. Then in that folder we have to put all the text we have. That's the best. New item, then title. When you click on title, you will rename the title as what you want. Let's call it entrance. Then okay, let's welcome to this great city. Let's call it like this. We can resize this. We can, for example, increase the size, and as you can see, it's beyond, and we can bring it back into the center. We can increase the size as well and bring it to the center. That's how it is. Drag and drop. Very simple tool, but very interactive while working with it, and very advanced the tool, seriously. Okay, then Premiere Pro is probably one of the best video editing software out there. You can give it a try and see. Okay, then once you are done, you can go ahead and move this one, close. But when you close, you see it's not there. It means you have to bring the text and put them there. You have to drag the text. You have to drag the text from here and put that where you want it to be. So exactly, that's it. You can resize it, increase it, or probably decrease it to make sure it's very short text which will be playing all along the video. Not good. But when you resize it, you see, welcome to this great city, and the other videos follows. That's the best, I think, and that's really going to work out, and you will see that all other video producers, that's what they do. Exactly. Then we can add up some other text. Similar way, you have to drag and drop it there, and when there is no video beneath it, the background will be what? Black. So that's, I will be showing you that in details. Thank you for watching. Edited by Inepu Team. We can say it in the way we want. Then, as you can see here on event, what do we have to do? We can drag and drop it. So what you have to do first is to select, then you drag and you move, you do everything you want. Select, then move it. Then let me show you how it looks like when there is no video beneath it. It will be black and okay. Before I show you that, okay, let's play. You see, the background is black. So if we put a video, the background will be that video. And as you have been seeing, so many videos ends up like that. Have you realized that? Because there is no video beneath it, so the text are white and you can see the background is black. Alright, so by now we have a very short video, but it has almost everything we want to make it as a movie if we want, or to get it if we are editing it for long, so we can really make it a stunning video, advertisement, video for many things. Let me show you how to save it. You will have, let's select this one. This format is good. Okay, choose place where you will put your video, call it introduction for example, then save. When you hit on save, it's done. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.
Inepu Team, let the world know.